Welcome to this video. Today I'm going to show you how to create NFT collections, just like the ones you see here on rarity.cause. You're probably familiar with NFT collections like CryptoPunks and Bored Ape Yacht Club. Usually it takes a bit of time to create these collections and you have to configure a lot of code to get it done. But today we're going to use this new tool called AutoMinter that lets you create these kind of generative art NFT collections really easily. It will create the contract for you. It will sync all of the images to the decentralized file networks, and it will make everything for us really easy. It will even create some minting pages today for a pre-sale so that we can let people buy and pay the gas for the original minting of the NFTs. So let's get started. We're going to sign in. We're going to use MetaMask, but you can also use your Coinbase wallet or Wallet Connect. Sign. And let's create a new project. So the way this works is each NFT is made up of layers that you're probably familiar with. So we've got hats, we've got different heads, we've got different backgrounds, pipes, glasses, and each of these is composed of layers. And each layer is rarer than the other. So in this tool, we're going to be able to upload each of the layers and set how rare each layer is. So I've prepared some images already. Let's upload the backgrounds first. So today we're going to use 4 different colored backgrounds. So as you can see here, we've got yellow, a light color, a dark color, and green. So when our NFT is generated, AutoMinter will randomly select one of these different backgrounds from this layer and use it in the NFT. So this green one here, we're going to make rare. So we're going to click the drop down and select rare for now. Now let's go and add the other layers. So let's add the shine. Above that, let's add the mouth next. So what's really important is when you design your layers in Photoshop or whatever image editing software you use, make sure that you export them as PNGs with a transparent background. That way you can see that the layers layer on top of each other. Let's go through and add the rest of these layers. We're going to label the layer as mouth, and you can see they auto used the file names for each of the image names. Feel free to change any of these if they're not named correctly. Let's now add the outline of our artwork. There you go. Now let's add the eyes. There you go, guys, and we can press this randomize button here and we can just test random combinations of the different layers. We can also click through and manually adjust any of the layers that are active. Okay, so now that that's done, we're going to generate the artwork. So we hit generate. Today we're going to create a collection for 1,000 images, and let's go. So this will probably take a few minutes. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause the video right now, and I'll come back once the artwork is generated. So there you go. It looks like it's just finished. So as you can see, we've got the generated artwork right here. We can just keep scrolling through, and it's randomly combined the layers with the rarity that we set in the previous screen. So if you notice any mistakes here, you can always go back to edit or regenerate the collection. If we click on them, we can see what the metadata is and make sure that everything is spelled correctly and looks okay. Since it all looks good here, now we're going to go to the final step and add the NFT to the blockchain. So I'm currently connected to the Polygon network in MetaMask for the low gas fees, since it's a lot cheaper than Ethereum right now. We'll call this emoji emojis. If you were connected to the Ethereum network, you would enter the amount you're going to charge in ETH. But since we're on Polygon, I'm going to charge 50 Matic per NFT. And let's use random selection so that when people mint these NFTs, they get assigned a random one of these NFTs. Now let's add to blockchain. Just confirm that we've got to pay gas to get the contract on chain. And there you go. We can see that the transaction's gone through. We have, I'll just talk you through this page that we have here. We've got a minting page. This is the page that people will visit to mint your NFTs. Normally you add a link from your website to this page when you're ready to launch. We can customize the color of it here. We can add airdrops. So you can send free NFTs to people as part of promotions to get activity on your NFT. We just enter the number for the NFT and the wallet that we want to send to. We can view our contract on Etherscan, or in this case Polygon Scan, and we can see the progress right now. So our files are currently syncing with IPFS. That will take a few minutes. Once that's done, all of the files will be decentralized, and we can see all of the NFT images down here, and again we can click on them to see the metadata. So let's take a quick look at the minting page. We can see that this is the minting page. It's pretty simple. It shows us how many NFTs are remaining. We've chosen a random NFT selection. So when they press this button to mint, the person will be able to pay for that NFT and receive a random one of our 10,000 or 1,000 NFTs in this case. So I think that's everything, guys. That should be enough for you to create your own NFT project. If you have any questions or suggestions for the next video, then leave a comment down below. And if you like this video and found it helpful, then please do leave a like, and happy minting.